Hello students, today's we studies chapter number 6 more about MS Excel 2010 part 2. Previous video we studied formatting numbers, modifying data and formatting data. This lecture we studies creating custom lists. What is my customs list? Customs list. In Excel, you can also create your own custom list. This is done to save a set of items that can be filled in a selected range of cells automatically whenever required. To create a custom list in MS Excel 2010, follow the steps given below. Click on the File menu, then click Options. The Excel Options dialog box appears. Select Advanced tabs. Excel opening dialog box. Click on Edit Custom Lists options. This is the Edit Customs List option. The Customs List dialog box open. The Customs List dialog box open. Then enter the desired list under the List Enters section. Click on a Add button and then click on OK. This is the Add button. Custom List tab. This is the Custom List tab. You may also import data by clicking on the Import button and select the data from another worksheet. Click on OK. Use the created list with the fill handles. Formulas and functions. The unique features of an MS Excel spreadsheet program is that it allows you to create mathematical formulas and execute functions. Moreover, if any number used in the formula changes, the entire spreadsheet is automatically updated. Here you will learn how to add, divide, multiply and subtract by typing formulas into an Excel worksheet. Formulas. A formula formulas. A formula is in general is made up of an operator. The MS Excel 2010 formula, however, can be a set of values, cell references, functions given with or without an operator. Any formula can be created in Excel. They are entered on the worksheet cell and must begin with an equal to sign. After the formula has been typed into the cell, the calculation executes immediately and the formula itself is visible in the formula bar. In case you do not write an equal sign, then Excel treats the formula as a normal text entry. Let us create list of numbers to do various calculation in MS Excel 2010. You may either enter either enter formula directly in the formula bar or double click on the cell where you wish to get the result and type the formula. Drag down the autofill option to do calculation automatically for all the values that you enter. The formula enter initially is followed automatically for all the other values in the list. This is the enter button insert function and formula copied using autofill formula for additions of numbers. You can see that additions of that number. Special case, you may even add the text using the text formulas. In MS Excel, a few special cases are given below. Case 1, to add two string or text value using and as an operator, you can type the formula and click enter on the formula bar. Type the text within and add them using and for formula click and start will given. Click start pressing the enter button. Enter the formula here. You may then drag the autofill option to fill rest of the cell. Case 2, to get the result along with the text, see the following example 6.9. This is the roll number, 21 is John. Type in the desired location to display result. The result of the formula use display dialogs within the text. Roll number 13, Alicia. Roll number 2 is fact files. Fact files. MS Excel strictly follow the BODMAS rule. The various arithmetical operators used in a numeric formula are exponent. This is the exponent, multiplication. This is the division sign. This is the addition sign. This is the subtraction sign. Error result. Sometimes errors are displayed in the working cell or the formula bar in the place of the result. A list of some common error displays in MS Excel 2010 and their possible reason are given. This is the hash hash hash. The columns hash hash. The column is not wide enough to display the result or the values. Possible reason असू शकतं. This is the error DVD or possible reason division by zero error invalid operation. This is the error sign data unavailable possibility data unavailable value. This is the invalid data name when text is not recognized. This is the possible reason. This is the error invalid cell reference. This is the error. These ranges do not interest or the users is using an invalid range operator. This is the some possible reasons of error. Next lecture we can study basic functions and AutoSum. Thank you students.